Good morning, guys, and welcome to Danny's channel.
To my channel. Be a little more enthusiastic. They can't even hear you. Steve's still asleep.
I am. It's early.
And this is the end goal today, is have that
in there.
Yep.
I see you did a little modification.
A little bit. I've test fitting.
Yeah.
I really like the looks of that.
It does look different. I mean, we're different enough already.
Yeah, I was gonna say. By different, you mean some guy actually commented and said, "What is that thing?"
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people don't know, but
yeah,
it's a Civic, and it's an SI. It's a true SI.
So when you have to explain what you're driving to people, that's definitely
you're
different.
Doing well. Yeah, you're doing well.
All right, so we got the fan pulled out here, ripping this thing down, and we have some petrified.
knifesteel.com. If you guys need them, 10% off. Use promo code Sendit, Steve. Great for things like this too, because if you mess up the blade, it doesn't matter. Go ahead. Back with what you were saying.
Okay, so back to the normally scheduled program. We have some leaves here that have almost turned to oil. They've been here so long.
Yeah, that's
like petrified. Progress.
All right, time to go home.
We did get the radiator support, radiator fans, as you can see, completely out of the way, and we see more damage. AC has not worked in quite a while.
The reason we were able to do so is because of knifesteel.com.
He's relentless. Somebody please buy a knife from this guy. Vince, if you're watching this, we need you back, buddy. We have tools everywhere. Steve won't put anything back.
I just keep throwing and grabbing another one.
More progress. We got the dash mostly out. We got a spaghetti mess of wiring here, whatever you want to call that.
It actually smells worse.
Yeah.
With the carpet peeled back.
Steve had to pull the carpet back, and of course that stirred up everything.
That's because we're keeping the harness. We need all that.
He wants the Civic to have everything.
Everything. Airbags. No, we're not going that.
Rear window defrost, speakers, rear snowplow prep package.
Yeah. Everything this truck had that the Civic's got to have.
On the plus side, I did find these. We got all the wiring, the whole dash out of the GMC. It's all laid out over here. And now we focus our attention on the Bruce here real quick. We're actually gonna pull the whole dash bar, steering column, steering shaft, which isn't very nice. We're hoping we can make the GMC steering shaft work much better. So let's get this out of the way and start mocking up. All right. Everything's out of the Civic now. It's laying over here. Now it's time to do the real work.
To do a project, I would be the one to start and finish a project. Not walk in the middle of somebody else's project.
All right, so we decided just to go ahead and pull the doors. They only had a couple bolts in each door, so it was very easy to pull them off. Now we have plenty of access. We can reach right through.
It'll be a lot easier.
Yeah,
for sure.
All right, guys. Now we can see just how close Steve was to actually dragging his foot on the ground.
Holy cow. Now, I know I already did like a rough video with you guys.
This side isn't much different.
Man, am I glad that we are deciding not to salvage this truck. I mean, everything up here looks great. The tunnel, which we are probably going to end up using. Danny really wants me to use this tunnel for the Bruce project.
Well, it's already fabricated, so we can just cut a big section out.
And transfer over.
And we already know it covers that transmission and transfer key, so we're good with that.
Definitely. And I kind of wish, you know how there's like scents and things that you guys get to smell, like burnouts and things. I wish you guys were here to smell some of the scents that are coming out of this truck.
Like smell-o-vision.
Yeah, like you can tell Danny's face right now balled up as we're speaking of it. But the carpet is sopping wet. I mean, it is freaking foul, and I am glad that we are,
it smells like a swamp.
Not salvaging this. Yeah. So let's get the cab off. I think we're there.
Yep, cab mounts, and we're gonna
look at that though.
Up and away.
I mean that is freaking bad.
Yes, Steve is crushing rust with his bare hands again. So the guy who left that comment, he's still doing it.
Yeah. Whoever left that comment about me crushing rust with my bare hands, I definitely.
And I did offer him gloves. I mean, not that these will stop everything, but.
I mean, I don't think I have any cuts or anything like that, but We got tough skin. Let's keep plugging and chugging.
All right, remember guys, safety first.
The fact that they're like, I don't even know that guy's name. Paw Patrol.
All right.
That's what you're asking.
Yeah, I know. Let's take it forward. It's not balanced quite yet. Forward.
This isn't gonna dent my roof, is it?
No.
Okay.
That's too good.
Oh, that's terrible.
Well, oh,
Maxed
that's it.
out. That's terrible.
Didn't even.
Well, at least we'll be able to see what all we gotta finish disconnecting.
Yeah. Well, that sucks. I was expecting that to go the whole way up.
I was too. It literally could go right up too. There's nothing holding it either. Let's you have higher legs. You got probably another foot we can go.
Yeah, but it's still not going to get us up over the motor.
Huh?
It's not going to get us up over the motor.
I think it was so twisted.
Can't see.
All right, PJ Masks.
Yeah, we are actually.
Oh boy.
Pretty
Now, this was obviously my idea. We're just kind of trying to get the cat off her now, but we are freaking making headway, boys and girls. The roof is coming out. I sort of feel like we're working on a power stroke here.
Yeah. It's kind of the same thing.
Yeah. Now we'll be able to roll the frame out. You know, come back in, grab the cab, wheel the cab out, wheel it.
All right, now we can get to that oil pressure sensor.
Yeah. Too bad this one's good.
Yeah.
If only it were bad. Well, I'd say we're making good headway.
I don't want to put